What's going on? Don't panic! As long as I'm here, nobody gets hurt! Hey, let her go, coward. You can't escape me! This web has your name on it! Run faster! I love the challenge! Got you! Game over! Officers, your package is ready. Okay. You're making me blush. Mission complete. But the real hero is kindness.
In a daring rescue, a mysterious hero clad in red and blue saved a family from a
Wait,
collapse.
I'm on the news? Trending too? Then what are you waiting for? Share this and let the world know the real hero is a cat. Plone.